Alright, so to start this look, I think we are going to dip into my Z palette here. This is mainly MAC and Makeup Geek shadows, I'm pretty sure. That's all that's in here, and some Makeup Geek blushes. The first one I'm dipping into here is Peaches and Cream, and this is a Makeup Geek shadow. And this is just kind of going to go all over to highlight and set the base that I have down. So yeah, let's talk some makeup, shall we? So I have been trying to practice more and watch more tutorials. I've actually been trying to do makeup at least like once a day, get a look going, whether it be practicing for Halloween or the little project I have going on, basically just practicing looks or filming and kind of just being experimental, which is basically why I started this channel, was to experiment with makeup and do Halloween videos, because I am a makeup junkie. I am just gonna go into this color Poppy. It's kind of this like bright orange with this Sephora brush. I'm just gonna put this in the crease. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to touch base and talk about some stuff, YouTube and makeup wise. I don't know if anyone else saw it, but at the time of filming this, depending on when this is out, I just watched Marlena, the owner of Makeup Geek's video, basically talking about all the drama and influencers and all that stuff, and I think she made some really valid points. Yeah, it's just been crazy in the beauty community right now. Now I'm going into the Thirsty palette, into this color here, the one that's a curse word, I won't say, just so if this ever gets monetized again, I don't get demonetized. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to kind of layer this on, and then we'll pack more on here. I have lots of stuff I'm going to start working on. I am finally going to start working on my like big secret project that I keep mentioning, and hopefully someone is getting excited about it besides me. Sean's not excited because he's going to be an actor in my little project, and he's not excited about it at all, but that's too bad. So yeah, hopefully it will all turn out really good. I'm going to work really hard on it, so I don't want to say like it's coming soon or when it will be out. I don't even know if it'll be out by Halloween, just because I feel like the paths will just cross. And I definitely could do it for Halloween time, but I have a whole separate list of things that I want to do for that, and I've been pre-filming all of those, so if you see them in September, October time and you're like, she looks different, or why is this setup so different in every video, that's why, because they're all for the most part pre-filmed, and that's just what's working easiest for me at this point. I'm just going to take a smudgy brush and pack more of this color on to get it really concentrated. Now I'm going to take some of the Too Faced glitter glue and put this on the kind of inner corner middle area. Now I'm going to take some Sin Cosmetics glitter in Certifiable. This is their hollow glitter, and I'm just going to pack it on top of that glitter glue. I found out like literally an hour ago, it may have been more than that, I have no idea what time it is, in my mind it was an hour ago, that my mother has never watched Mulan, and this shook me to my very core. As a child who loved that movie, I still love that movie. I started singing Be a Man, and she had no idea what I was talking about, and I was like, excuse me? So plans for her on Saturday are to educate the woman so that she can be one with the rest of us. I'm gonna take the Ico liquid liner and just do a little liner here. I'm just gonna take some roller lash and put this on. I guess we can talk about some like monthly favorites. Let's see. TV wise, I have been watching Claws and Pose, both of which fully intended for mature audiences. Do not watch it if you're like 10. Both the shows are great. Pose more so is just like so gut-wrenching that it's insane. Like learning about the LGBT community, specifically the trans community, and all these struggles that they went through in the 90s, and like you see some of the struggles they're still going through today, like things they're still fighting, and learning about the AIDS epidemic. All very just like horribly sad, but Billy Porter does an amazing job in that show, as well as India Moore. She plays Angel, or I'm sorry, they play Angel. She's non-binary. They play Angel, and Angel's one of my favorite characters ever. So, love that show. I am just using some lash glue, and I'm using the Ardell 122s. They look like this, to throw on here. I'm going to take my Morphe brush. This is the big fan brush. I actually just got this not that long ago. This is the M143, and I am going to use my NYX bronzer in medium. I apologize if this video was all over the place. Like, I swear I came in with a clear plan of what I was gonna do, and that plan went out the friggin' window. And I really don't know why. Like, I had so much to talk about, and now it's all just gone. I guess the makeup just took me away. I really do love this look, though. I think that orange and gray are such a beautiful color combination, and very few people actually do it and utilize it. I also think like olive green and gray is really pretty. So I already have my contour done, but I'm just gonna bronze up the area a little bit, make everything look really summery. I'm gonna take this light kind of peachy blush. This is a Makeup Geek blush. So I'm hoping to film like the week of the wedding, like vlog the whole week of the wedding, so you guys can see like all the insanity that's happening from like the rehearsal dinner and the planning and, you know, all of that fun stuff. I'm gonna use the Aurora palette and go in with Eclipse up here, this kind of orangey one. I'm going to use Rose Madder from Jeffree Star for the lips. I'm going to put this kind of mauve gloss on top. This is Whipped Vanilla from Bath & Body Works. I'm going to let this dry down first. Alright, you guys, so this is it. I'm going to end this video here before I ramble on about more random stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update and my random kind of chit chat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe on your way out. Tell your friends, let them know. Check my links down below, and I hope to see you in the next one.